and welcome to this morning's pre-match press conference for Dubeholden against Harbour, the inaugural match of the 2023 concacaf Caribbean Cup. We're joined at the head table by head coach of Dubeholden, Lenny Hyde, and also captain of Dubeholden as well, Ricardo Thomas. This is a very historic game tomorrow. Not only is it the first time that Dubeholden will be participating in a concacaf tournament, but also the first time that two Jamaican clubs are opening in this event as well. Coach, let me start with you. A few opening remarks. Creating history, not many people consider a part of history, but now with Dubeholden opening the tournament and the first time for the club in a concacaf tournament.
Great feelings. Great feelings for the club. I think they did wonders in the Premier League here before. That's why they are here now. And it's a joy for me to just got the job at Dubeholden, to be in this situation, to be the coach that are carrying them into this competition. It's a great feeling. It's a great look for the community. It's a great look for the players. And I hope we can do good things in this league.
All right, and Ricardo, same for you as well in terms of the journey at Dubeholden and also being part of history as well.
The journey has been good. It's good to be a part of another history. Dubeholden participating in this competition for the very first time. We're looking forward for good things to happen. Coming for this game tomorrow, we're looking for a positive result.
All right, at this point in time now we'll open the floor for questions from the media. Please identify yourself and then indicate who you'd like to ask the question towards.
MG Sports Media, first question to Coach Lenny. Coach, new to the Dubeholden team now, how does it feel working with this crop of players and how far are you guys in preparation?
Well, we have been preparing very well. I came there, I'm there about a month now, and they were training before I got there. I know this team for a good while. It's in the Portmore area, that's where I live. And I know most of the players. I've been coaching a couple of the players already. So I know the players very well. So the chemistry is there for me and the players. It's there for the community. It's just me now to instill the system that I want the team to play. It's a passing team, and that's my forte. So we just have to continue on that trend and just build some discipline and some camaraderie in the team and get that spirit going, and I think we can reach far in this competition.
Our next question for Ricardo. How well have you guys been receptive towards the new system that Coach Lenny is instilling in the team right now?
Me and the guys we are good with what the coach of doing. We are trying to get what he want done. He's doing great things, and we have just worked with what he wants.
Yes, and Coach, let me go back to you. As you have seen during the Jamaica Premier League season, the support that Dubeholden had and other teams as well, the atmosphere, you being back in the JPL fold and everything, your thoughts, especially at Sabina, seeing the support for matches.
And it's also great for the league also. This competition is very prestigious, and I love what I see in the last season of the Premier League also. The fans turn out a lot, and it all goes good for the football in Jamaica. It's building the football, building the capacity of players getting contracts overseas, and I love that. It's good to see when you prepare a player and he's rewarded with a contract. So that's what we're trying to build at Dubeholden, bringing in some of the young players, gel them with the senior players, and just to play some attractive football. It's not all about winning, but performing well out there, make the spectators enjoy some good football this season, and that's what we are aiming to do at Dubeholden this season.
And Ricardo, you've played at different venues across the island. How is it playing here at Sabina Park as well? The atmosphere, the fans playing on the surface. What has it been like for you playing at Sabina Park?
The atmosphere is good. I like the atmosphere. I like the fans. It's a joy to always play at Sabina Park. I love it here.
And then coach, as you know, you're a veteran to coaching in the landscape. You know a lot about Harbour, perhaps more than most coaches on the island as well. You know, tell us a little about what you know from them, and of course working with different teams across the league.
Yeah, well, Harbour is similar to my style of coaching. You know, I used to coach there, and Lonnie Bernard is a very good coach also. He plays good football, so it sets up for an exciting match on Wednesday night. We're looking forward to it. It's a ball-playing team. Harbour also experienced team, have a lot of trophies under their belt, so we're looking for a good matchup from them on Wednesday. So the spectator needs to come out and support this game.
And Ricardo, as you know, the new season hasn't started yet in the JPL, but how important is this competition in building up towards a season that lies ahead?
This competition is very important for me and the players. Going forward, we want great things to happen. So this competition is helping us to get prepared for this upcoming season coming in the JPL.
And finally, for you as well, coach, the expectations for this competition. Yes, it's new to Dubeholden, but expectations for you, the club, to have a deep run within this competition as well. As you know, over 50 million eyes will be on Dubeholden, and knowing them for the first time as well, first time in this competition.
Yeah, most definitely. I have a little experience in this competition. I won this section of the competition at Harbour. So I know the setup and how the teams out there are playing. The Dominican Republic have two wonderful teams. I watched them play. So it sets up for an exciting tournament, and we're looking forward to it. It's going to be quality football out there on the pitch. We have to bring our A game every time, and I'm looking forward to this. It sets the tone for players to be viewed all over the Caribbean and also in the diaspora in USA. So it sets good for the players. They have to go there and perform and showcase their skills that they can move from this level. I think it's a wonderful thing with the Jamaica Football Federation is doing for the football in Jamaica. And the players must grab it with both hands. The ball is at their feet. They have to go there and perform and to be disciplined on the pitch also. Sky's the limit for them. I was a player, I didn't have this opportunity when I used to play, so you guys need to grab it and deal with it and see how far it gets. The farther you get in the competition, it's better for the team, and that's what we are aiming to do.
Yes, thank you, coach. Any other questions from the media?
One last question. How important a competition like this regards to preparation leading to the JPL season? Would you say this is a big advantage to you guys? You guys would have gotten your players that you wanted earlier, also preparing, training earlier before everyone else going to the Premier League season.
Yeah,
does that put you far ahead of everyone else?
You said it right, and that's what Chong Fa did with us in 77 Clarendon Cup. We played in the under-19 competition in the parish. After that, we went straight into the Costa Cup. So this competition is setting the tone for the Premier League also, and we are about 2 months now preparing for this, and you know the JPL is right around the corner. So it sets the tone for us. It's preparing us, and as I say, we had acquired a couple of players in the off season, so the squad is strengthening. And we are building a team unit, a cohesion from now. So it's helped us, this competition really helped us going forward in the JPL.
All right, thank you very much, everyone. As you know, kickoff tomorrow is at 5:06. However, later this afternoon at 4 o'clock will be Harbour View's press conference. Thank you very much, everyone, and see you this afternoon.
Thank you.